It's his turn. Sit up, watch out. He's just gonna get a quick line up for picture day because that's all Mama got in her for him is a line up. So we're just gonna get him fresh. Let's go.
Started on my ear.
It's fine. Goodness gracious. Y'all seen the post I put up about him on Instagram? Toughest client of mine is this 6-year-old right here.
The toughest.
So, y'all know I know my baby's head. Like, I hope y'all can see. I don't know if I can zoom in. Oh, shoot. I just learned something new. Okay. I can zoom in. But, I know my baby's head. So, Mama does not do pushbacks. I literally have to give the illusion. Because this right here, I don't know what he got going on. But that is definitely not filled in. Right there. So if I was to go all the way back, that would not be a good look. Make it sticky. The hair not going nowhere. I like it. I like it a lot. Y'all see that? He's gonna be in the game. He's gonna be in the game. Don't you do that. Now you know better. Are you supposed to grab my cord? Okay. So his cut before was like that, what they, like the drop fade, ball fade, whatever you want to call it. So he didn't have a neckline. It was balled out. So I'm really not going to clean it up because I actually like how it grew back in. I'm just going to go around his ears one time. Let's go around his ears one time. Knock those wild hairs off. So, I did not know I could zoom in though on this live though. Like, I did not know that. Y'all see that? That boy crispy. And all I did was just spray his hairline. Like, that's all we doing. Gonna use a little antiseptic, not alcohol. See it? But that's what I'm going to use. Rash. I see this one little side right here. That's just because I have OCD. But in this profession, I guess it's a good thing. It would have been quicker or easier if I would have just got the razor, but I didn't want to use the razor. So, you got hair growing down on your forehead? Why you looking so serious? Why you looking so serious? What? That's all. I'll be back when I finish up Soraya's hair. Look up. So I just wanted to show y'all how I do a quick lineup. That's it.